Well, I've just been trying to sort out the dashboard wiring here. You can see it's a bit of a spaghetti junction, so I've just been trying to sort out which wire goes to where, so hopefully I can put all the dashboard back together, which is quite a major step. And I'm also just about to fit a new lens glass to the main instrument cluster, which was smashed. I think I've got all the fingerprints off it, but obviously quite a tricky job to do. I think it's about 11:30 at night, so I haven't got time to wait until daylight. I've really just got to push ahead, so hopefully no fingerprints on that, but that should be a big improvement. Well, as you can see, got the dashboard mostly back together, which is fantastic, because it doesn't just mean obviously that it's all coming together, but it means now I can actually connect the battery without worrying about all the loose live wires, the back of the switches and what have you sparking up. So now she's pretty much on the button, so we're nearly there. Just got to get the main speedometer in, and that's the whole functioning part of the dashboard complete. I've still then got to connect the top of the dashboard and all the various bits of wood trim. It's quite a complicated structure. It has about 8 or 9 different pieces making up the whole dashboard, but then once that's working, and we've already got the temperature gauge, the ammeter, the fuel gauge and the oil gauge all work, so that's all the systems on the car actually functioning. And so then the next stage is to obviously get those fettled up so they work properly, and then start on the bodywork, which is what's going to be needed to get the thing onto the road. Got to make sure it's absolutely straight. It's a bit like putting up shelves. Don't want a wonky speedometer. That's about right. Very good. Well, that's looking better than it has done in a little while. That's fantastic. So as I was saying, that's with the dashboard in. There we are, look at that, the warning lights on. I can hear the fuel pump. Lovely and safe, no sparky. Let's see. How about that? Well, the traficators now work. So that really is the dashboard back together completely now, and that was a major obstacle on this car. So I'm really pleased that's done and everything is now working. I'm actually going to leave the rest of the interior trim until after the car's back on the road. So now I've got to crack on with the bodywork, fair bit of bodywork to do. Not much of it structural, it's pretty solid, the car. So after that, a few mechanical bits and pieces, mainly just adjusting, tuning and lubricating everything. So hopefully not too much longer before the thing's running and driving. So happy days.